Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about IOC, International Olympic Committee, that responsible for conducting Olympic Games, and it is formed in 23rd June 1894. Today we are discussing on another topic, IOA. IOA, it means Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association, it is formed in year 1927. तो ये फॉर्म हुई थी 1927 में. सर दोराबजी टाटा, D. Tata, one of the very known name, Sir Dorabji Tata, become first president, and Dr. A.G. Norham, first president, Sir Dorabji Tata, and Dr. A.G. Norham, A.G. Norham is first secretary of journal, secretary general of IOA. Sir Dorabji Tata and Dr. Norham run the IOA activities until 1928. After that, these responsibility handed over to Maharaja Bhupender Singh. महाराजा भूपेंद्र सिंह ये कहाँ के महाराज थे? ही इज बिलोंग टू पटियाला. महाराजा भूपेंद्र सिंह ऑफ पटियाला. ही कैन लुक आफ्टर दीज एक्टिविटी फ्रॉम 1928 to 1938. And along with one of the famous personality, Professor Gurudutt Sondhi. Professor, I'm just repeat the name, Professor Gurudutt Sondhi, from 1928 to 52. Why Professor Gurudutt Sondhi is famous? Gurudutt Sondhi is famous because he is a person who can give a responsibility to start first Asian Games. He is responsible to conduct first Asian Games. The present office bearer, or we can say the present president of IOA is Narendra Batra. His full name is Narendra Dhruv Batra. IOA having 32 executive members in their committee. Just like IOC, IOA having different role of IOA is following. First, IOA deciding the organizing place of national game. IOA decide where national games has to be conducted. Second point, it maintain a link between the government of India and member federation or association, different federation of various state and government. He work as a link between both of them. Third one is promotion of sports in their respective state. ये गेम्स का स्पोर्ट्स का प्रमोशन करते हैं इन देयर रेस्पेक्टिव स्टेट। जिस स्टेट में जो जो गेम ज़्यादा पॉपुलर होता है उसको और प्रमोट करते हैं, इसके अलावा बाकी सारे गेम्स को भी प्रमोट करते हैं। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, प्रमोटिंग एंड डेवलपिंग द ओलंपिक मूवमेंट। IOA ऑल्सो हेल्प इन द प्रमोटिंग एंड डेवलपिंग द ओलंपिक movement. Next point, IOA select the player. IOA select the player for participating in Olympic Games. One of the important responsibility or role of IOA that he can select the participant that take part in Olympic Games. IOA, just like IOC, IOA also fight against doping. Just like IOC, IOA is also fight against doping. Next point is IOA also select player for Asian Games as well as Commonwealth Games. IOA also select player for Asian and Commonwealth Games. Next point, it promote and encourage women in sports. IOA also promote and encourage for participation of women in sports. Next point, it follow all the rules and regulation made by IOC. IOA also follow all the rules and regulation that made by IOC.